If your business is stagnant, it's actually dying over time. And there are two common reasons behind this. Number one is not enough clients. Number two is not enough cash or profit. These strategies sound very simple, but they are challenging to implement in real life due to what Alex calls the commodity problem. What needs to be done is create a great offer, add value, provide a guarantee. If you craft your offer this way, you'll be able to attract a significant number of leads and customers for your business. If you want one advantage over your competitors, you should choose to have a starving crowd. Ideally, you want to focus on low-cost, high-value options for scalability. Since the age of 19, I have been focused on businesses. I tried various approaches to attract more clients and sell more products. But do you know what matters the most? It's the offer that you make. Most of the time, your client or customer will base their decision on the strength of your offer. The first project I secured in 2015 was a WordPress site. Believe it or not, I knew just the bare minimum about WordPress systems. And there were thousands of experienced developers competing with me. Yet I managed to get the project because of the irresistible offer I made to the client. We all want to establish a massive business or grow our existing business rapidly. So if you are an entrepreneur, a business owner, or a marketing manager, this video is a must watch for you, because today I'm gonna talk about a very special book that helped thousands of business people grow their businesses. I recently read the book and it has quickly become one of my favorite business books. Now the question is, which book is it? Many of you have already guessed it. It's 100 Million Offers, written by the renowned marketing and business guru Alex Horomozi. I don't know Alex personally, but one of my current clients is actually a friend of Alex. Essentially, my client paid me to read the entire book and then help him implement the strategies mentioned in the book in his business. Alex Horomozi's story is incredibly inspiring and interesting. He struggled through challenges like debts and hard times, but eventually he transformed into a figure anyone in the world would aspire to become. Today, Alex earns more than $100 million annually. So what's the biggest secret behind his immense success? Crafting Grand Slam offer. A Grand Slam offer is an irresistible offer that people cannot refuse. In his book, he shares how he created Grand Slam offers to establish multiple highly successful businesses. The author of this book says thousands of people are creating and selling courses on the basis of this particular book. And today, I'll be summarizing the Grand Slam offer in this video free of cost. Just one request from my end, please like and share this video and hit the red subscribe button, as I will be bringing more business related content in the future. Now, let's begin. Imagine a business owner comes to Alex and says, "You are earning hundreds of millions of dollars yearly, but my business is just so-so. It's not growing significantly, but it's not failing either. What do you suggest?" Do you know what Alex would say? He would say, "Look, your business is either growing or dying. There is no state between these two. If your business is stagnant, it's actually dying over time. And there are two common reasons behind this. Number one is not enough clients. Number two is not enough cash or profit. Some businesses have clients but still can't make enough profit, right? For businesses that want to grow, there are three options available for them. Number one, bring in more clients or customers. Number two, increase the average purchase value of existing clients of customers. For example, if customers who used to purchase $100 worth of products start purchasing $500 worth, then profit will increase and the business will grow. Number three, get them to buy more frequently. For instance, if your customers buy from you once a month, encourage them to buy twice a month, which will also help your business grow. These strategies sound very simple, but they are challenging to implement in real life due to what Alex calls the commodity problem. Many businesses sell their products or services as commodities, which leads them into a pricing risk that can cause the business to stagnate or even fail. Now consider this example. Two people are selling apples, which is a commodity. When a customer arrives, they will compare prices and buy from the shop offering the lower price, since the products are essentially the same. Large businesses often make this mistake by selling their products as commodities, which forces them to reduce prices frequently. Lower prices and lower profits cause businesses to die or stagnate and prevent them from becoming highly profitable. So what's the solution? The solution is crafting a Grand Slam offer for your business or product. Make the offer in such a way that people can't compare your offerings to others. Let's take another example. Imagine a salon offering free haircuts at Christmas if any other packages such as beard trimming, massage, or facial are bought. Additionally, they provide a guarantee that if the customer doesn't like the haircut, the payment will be refunded immediately. By doing this salon instantly differentiates itself from the competition. In short, what needs to be done is create a great offer, add value, provide a guarantee. If you craft your offer this way, you'll be able to attract a significant number of leads and customers for your business. Alex says, being able to create an offer is crucial, but even more important is understanding the market. A marketing professor once asked his students, if you start a food cart and can get only one advantage over your competitors, what would you choose? Some said price advantage, others said food quality, taste, customer experience, and so on and so forth. After a while, the teacher smiled and said, if you want one advantage over your competitors, you should choose to have a starving crowd. Let's take an example. I have a friend who works in a corporate office where there are no food carts or restaurants nearby, except for one canteen that doesn't provide tasty or satisfying food. My friend always complains about the food being expensive, slow to serve, and having a poor ambience. But still, he goes to the same place. Why? Because he doesn't have any other options. This is what a starving crowd is. Another example, a poor guy won't buy a bottle of water for $10. But now consider the same guy in a desert and he is thirsty. He would buy the same bottle of water for $10. This is called understanding the market. You need to know where your starving crowd is. To serve the starving crowd, focus on 4 indicators. Number 1, massive pain. Serve people who are in significant pain. For instance, if you have severe tooth pain and you can't reach your regular dentist who charges like $100, then you will go to a hospital that charges $200 because you can't wait to get your teeth fixed. So, you need to see if there is a massive pain point in your audience that you can solve. Number 2, purchase power. Even if your market has pain, if they don't have the purchasing power, it won't be the right market for you. For example, if it starts raining and someone wants an umbrella but has no money, they won't buy one. Number 3, easy to target. If you want to sell umbrellas, can you identify who has umbrellas and who doesn't? The easier it is to target potential customers, the more sales you make. Number 4, growing market. Alex had a smart entrepreneur friend who struggled to make profits despite being responsible and hardworking. He was in the newspaper business, which was of course a shrinking market. But when he switched to producing and selling face masks during the pandemic, he made millions. So the 4th indicator is crucial. Choose a market that's growing. To formulate this, most of the time we focus on persuasion. But if you can create a strong offer, it's more powerful. And serving a starving market is even more powerful. Now, you might ask, how do you actually create a Grand Slam offer? You cannot craft a winning offer without incorporating values into it. It's fairly simple. Many entrepreneurs are scared of charging more, but Alex says, charge as much as you want, but ensure it's worth the value. That means if you propose a $1 million contract, your client will agree if they believe they can make $2 million out of it. So if your service is valuable and worth it, you can charge more. The key is creating value. Now, let's look at the valuation. We have 2 variables in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. Increase the numerators and decrease the denominators. Number 1, dream outcome. For example, a person wants to lose weight. If you provide a solution that helps them achieve this, it becomes your first variable. The second variable is perceived likelihood of achievement. It's crucial how your customer perceives your products or service. If they strongly believe it will help them achieve their desired outcome, the perceived value will increase. Number 3, time delay. The time between starting and achieving the outcome. For example, if your solution helps someone lose weight quickly, it's more attractive. Number 4, effort and sacrifice. If your solution requires less effort and sacrifice, it's more valuable. For instance, a weight loss pill is more appealing than hours of daily exercise. Let's use an example to illustrate this. Meditation versus Xanax to reduce stress. Both aim to reduce stress, the dream outcome. Let's assign 1 point to each. But many perceive pills to be more attractive and quicker than meditation. So Xanax wins in these 2 areas. Pills also requires less effort. Xanax wins again. And my friend, that's the reason why 95% of the people in the world are taking pills instead of working out. This is the equation. By the way, I'm not saying you shouldn't work out. I'm just stating the facts. Now let's see how to create a grand slam offer using a valuable product or service while maintaining these 4 variables. Follow this 5-step process. Number 1, identify the dream goals of your client. If you are a health coach, your client's goal might be losing 20 kgs in 6 months. Number 2, make a problem list. Write down all the problems your client might face in achieving this goal. For instance, going to the gym, improper diet, or lack of time. Number 3, create a solution list. Write down solutions for each problem you have listed. Number 4, delivery solution. Now, think about how you can deliver the solutions to your customers. For instance, if the problem is creating a tasty yet healthy diet, you could create a detailed workbook, prepare the food yourself, or hold webinars to explain diet secrets. You don't need to decide now whether the delivery idea is good or bad, just write them down. Number 5, trim and stack. In this step, categorize your delivery options into 4 quadrants: high cost, high value, high cost, low value, low cost, low value, and low cost, high value. Ideally, you want to focus on low cost, high value options for scalability. For example, preparing food yourself might be a high value, but also high cost and effort. Instead, providing a detailed guide for an online course might be low cost and high value. Alex says, if you want to scale your business, then you should always try to go with the 4th option, which is low cost, high value. Now, you need these 5 elements to your offer to make it a grand slam offer. Number 1, scarcity. People love buying limited edition items because they're scarce. Just like the limited edition watches of Rolex. People are crazy about it. Your product or service should have some sort of scarcity. Number 2, urgency. Create a sense of urgency in your offer to encourage immediate action. Number 3, bonuses. Add extra value to your offer with bonuses because everyone loves getting something extra. Number 4, guarantee. Offer a strong guarantee. It builds trust and reduces the perceived risk of your customers. Number 5, name. Give your product or offer a unique and attractive name. A good name can significantly impact its appeal. So this is how you create a grand slam offer that people cannot refuse. Of course, you need to practice this over and over and over again, and only then you'll be able to master it. We have to remember that good things take time to happen. 100 Million Offers is an extremely interesting book. If you want more videos on this book, let me know in the comment section. And most importantly, if you are an entrepreneur, a business owner, or want to establish your personal brand online, there are strategic moves you can use to build a strong brand, just like Alex did, especially organically. Also, try these strategies and let me know how they worked in your offerings and your business. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care.